Welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Winger, and we're going to react to the song Miles Away. Let's listen to the song. It will be a first time single take honest reaction to Miles Away.
So this is love, or so you tell me, as you're walking out the door. The months go by, and I know for certain it's not the love I'm looking for. Sometimes, just for a moment, I reach out, hope you're still there, miles away. No, you're never turning back. I just can't wait anymore. Miles away, nothing left of what we had. Just when I needed you most, you were miles away. It's hard to tell what you're going through. You kept your feelings locked inside of you. Open your heart, and chances are what you're feeling, I'm feeling too. If only just for a moment, hold on to the dreams that we had. Miles away, no, you're never turning back. I just can't wait anymore. Miles away, nothing left of what we had. Just when I needed you most, you were miles away. When times were tough and you were down and out, who was there by your side? Now you're gone, I'm so tired of being alone, with only your promises. Loneliness just fades away. Thoughts of you, just memories. No crying now for what we're missing. Time won't forget what you meant to me. If only just for a moment, hold on to the dreams that we had. Miles away, no, you're never turning back. I just can't wait anymore. Miles away, nothing left of what we had. Just when I needed you most. Miles away, no, you're never turning back. I just can't wait anymore. Miles away, nothing left of what we had. Just when I needed you most, you were miles away.
Oh, this is well in sync with each other. A band, tight band. They played together. The music sounded in unison. The guitar, the way it was playing, the vocals, the other members contributing in the vocals sounded good. Sounded definitely good. I like the vocalist. I like the voice of the vocalist. It's got this husky, manly, little bit who's kind of voice for a song like this. And it's all about him and her and how she is miles away when they should have been together. the theme of so many songs, common theme of so many songs, where two lovebirds separated for XYZ reasons. It could be anything, but they are not together, and now this is his side of the story. He's just trying to express himself, more than blaming, more than complaining about it, but he's just saying that I was there when you needed me. I was there when you were going through something like this, but now you're so far away, you're miles away from me. I need you.
Yeah, just when I needed you most, you were miles away. That kind of sums it up, that line,
Yeah.
what he's talking about here. Beautifully sung and exceptional guitar work in there. It wasn't too much of it, but it was wow. It was just so beautiful, the guitar work. And the vocals were pretty good too. All in all, a good song. It's a good song. I can't call it a ballad. As such, it seemed more on the... maybe it could be called a ballad
Like
actually.
a ballad, actually.
But
you're
it was a
right.
little bit on the up-tempo side at times, I felt.
huh.
So it was not essentially a ballad, very slow or something like that. But beautiful all the way.
Yeah, it was nice. Nice to listen to.
Yeah.
That's all for this reaction. Thank you for watching. Welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to Van Halen, and we are going to react to the song Ain't Talking About Love. Ain't Talking About Love.
I heard the news, baby, all about your disease. Yeah, you may have all you want, baby, but I got something you need. Oh yeah, ain't talking about love. My love is right to the core. Ain't talking about love, just like I told you before. Yeah, before, you know you're semi-good looking and on the streets again. Oh yeah, you think you're really cooking, baby. You better find yourself a friend. My friend, ain't talking about love. My love is right to the core. Ain't talking about love, just like I told you before. Before. Ain't talking about love, baby, you're right into the core. Ain't talking about love, just like I told you before. I've been to the edge. There I stood and looked down. You know I lost a lot of friends there, baby. I got no time to mess around. So if you want it, got to bleed, boy, baby. Yeah, got to bleed, baby. You got to bleed, baby. Ha, got to bleed, baby. Ain't talking about love. The love is running to the core. Ain't talking about love, just like I told you before. Ain't talking about love,
Hey! Ain't talking about love. Whatever the lyrics are, it doesn't really matter to me. Somewhat, more or less, nonsensical lyrics for sure. But I like the way it was sung. I definitely like the way the guitars were played. I like the energy in it. I like the spirit of it. Even though he's spiteful and poisonous the way he's talking, but it sounds fun to listen to. I don't feel angry at him.
Really catchy tune, really catchy. Guitar work and drumming in this was exceptional. Vocals were pretty awesome too.
Yeah.
Really good song. I remember this tune from a song titled, if I'm not mistaken, Ain't Talking About Dub. It was an EDM song, dance song created,
Okay.
and it had become pretty popular for a year or so. It used to play at parties even in Mumbai. You know?
So was that like a spoof on this one? A parody?
No, just a dance song. Just that guitar tune.
Okay.
And built upon that, beautifully built upon that actually.
Okay.
So I remember this tune from there. I remember the title of the song. I hope I'm right. It's either Ain't Talking About Dub or maybe the same title, Ain't Talking About Love.
Wow.
Beautifully done. This was good too. Really, really good. This probably is the original. And well played. Well played.
Well played.
Probably by Eddie Van Halen on the guitar.
Ah.
And good drumming too. Wow. Really good to listen to. It started with her like having some kind of a disease or something
I
like
know,
that.
and he's very.
But he's saying I'm not talking about love. I wonder what he's trying to get at.
He's
It
saying
doesn't
she
sound
likes
good.
to eat something.
Doesn't
And
sound good. Whatever he's trying to get at is
The love
doesn't
won't
sound
be
good
good
to
to
me.
you.
Doesn't sound good to me, but it's catchy. It's catchy. Hopefully not as catchy as the disease she's got.
Oh, no. Please don't.
At such a time in the world's history, talking
We
about,
don't want to talk about
especially in
disease.
America and India, talking about diseases and viruses, people get scared. People get scared. It's like bomb on the plane.
You know, America and India, we did single out right now, the way we did. But I don't see the world also being in a good shape. They may be just hiding the numbers,
Yeah.
not doing the tests, who knows what is happening. But, you don't have to be scared like that.
One thing is for sure that many countries are hiding
They're
their numbers.
suffering.
And that's the reason they are not opening up. I mean, if
It's the shallow
anyway,
ego.
that's off topic, but yeah, it's a good song to listen to.
It's a good song to listen to.
Good song to listen
Light
to.
song. Thank you for this reaction.